Hello again. This is the group 3, the orange-red group, okay, of tricky words. I'm gonna say all of them and I'm gonna give you some examples. You can repeat every word after me until you learning how to pronounce it. And after, you can write all of them on a paper or on a small papers until you learn how to write them. Let's start. Listen. One. One means uno, like the number. I give you an example. I've got one pen, or give me one. One, repeat. Old. Old is not really a tricky word because it's written like it sounds old. Old. Okay? Old is the opposite of new. Old means viejo. For example, I've got an old book. It's not really new. I've got an old book. Or I am 32 years old. Okay, that all go. It's written like that. Only. Único. Solamente. You are the only one. Oh, this is the only pen that I have. I don't have any more pens. This is the only one. El único. The only one. Only. Buy. Buy. By means a través, para, mediante. You can write it, you can take notes, okay? So you can say, I go to school by car. Or I have to go to the doctor by 3 o'clock. By 3 o'clock. By that time, I have to stay there. By, I have to go to the supermarket. I go by bus. Okay, by bus. By. Little. Little means pequeño o un poco de. So can you give me a little of, I don't know, or, okay, I have an example. I've got a little sister. She is 20 years old. That is not true. In all the time, I've got a brother older than me. Okay, so my little sister. Oh, you are little. Oh, this book is very small. As well, we can say little. Okay, little. Give. The E doesn't sound. Give. Dar. Give means dar. So give me your notebook. Give me your pencil. Give me. Okay? Give it to me. Have. Have means tener. Okay, so I have a computer. I have a paper. I have a brother and a sister. I have long hair. I have got long hair. I have. The E doesn't sound. Live. Live means vivir. So I live in Mutilva right now. Where do you live? Tell me. Live. And I live with my family. Like. There is a mistake on your papers. I realize, me acabo de dar cuenta, que en la fotocopia que os facilité y en la que os he mandado por email, está puesto life con F. Habría que cambiar esta palabra y a la F a dibujarle en vez de una F una K. ¿vale? Porque nuestra tricky word is like. Like means gustar. I like chocolate. I like, my favorite food is macaroni. I like it. Like. The E doesn't sound, okay? When. We use when for questions mainly, okay? For questions means cuando. We are talking about time. So, for example, we revise it in the classroom today. When do you have music? When do you have music? I have music on Tuesday at 11 o'clock. Okay, when? When do you go to school? I go to school at 8:30 every morning. So when? ¿Cuándo? When do you... when is your birthday? My birthday is on the 10th of March. Okay, when? And this one is what. What. What means qué o cuál. Y también we use it mainly for questions, principalmente para preguntas. So, for example, what color is it? It's black. Or what is your favorite film? My favorite film is Harry Potter. Or what do you like to do? I like to learn English. I hope so. What? ¿Qué o cuál? And the last one is down, which is the opposite of up. So down means bajar o abajo. We can say, I have to go down the stairs, or if I raise my hand, I can tell you, or I can say to you, raise your hand. Okay, no, down your hand. Oh my God. So down. This O and double V sounds like ow. Do you remember that polyphonic sound? It's written O, U. El polyphonics que dimos en infantil, que se escribía O, U, que era au, sonaba aun, es igual que esta O y W, ¿vale? Suena au, down, okay? Down, out, down. So that's all for today. Please study all of them. See you soon. Mwah! A big hug for you. Bye bye.